like the well-loved Spanish chocolate that Jamla Corporation produces. The company has also continuously improved through the years. Process and product innovations enabled Jamla to automate most of its manual operations, improve the packaging process, reduce raw material wastage, increased product yields, improve product quality, extend its product shelf life, and diversify its product lines.
We also have the trainings from DOST about GMP, HACCP, microbiological testing and everything. So, nagkaka-confidence ka talaga na ito ang maganda yung kalidad ng produkto kasi tama ang ginagawa ko. No? Na kahit na saan ka pa humarap na FDA, whether it's local or foreign, no? Very as FDA, wala kang takot, no fear ka nga. 300 to 400% sa direct employment natin. So, hindi lang yung mga employers namin yung natulungan namin, pati na yung mga farmers na dati raw, gusto mo yung mga supply sa amin ng malagkit, no? Mga kababaihan na hindi naman talaga ngayon, nagsusort na sila para kapag-supply sa amin ng magandang raw material. In the span of 5 years, the increase in sales was 500%, almost 500%. And the company never had a negative growth.
Today, Jamla's Spanish chocolate is being enjoyed by Filipinos here and around the world.
I think ang US talaga yung nag-push sa amin to go further para mabuksan namin, lalo na sa export market namin. Before kasi yung aming sa export namin is sa US, Canada, and Hong Kong. But now, we have more or less 25 to 30 countries already. And the Middle East is getting to be a very active market. Now, isa sa mga mission ko ang tulungan yung mga kapwa ko na sa food business na talagang i-avail para rin sa kanilang growth, para sa development nila. Kasi ang feeling ko about it, yung company na to grow, hindi lang para sa kumpanya nyo, kundi para sa mga tao na marinig sa nyo, makapagdag ka ng employees, na para magkaroon ng stable job yung mga tao na nagtatrabaho para sa iyo.
DOST NCO is spearheading technological innovations in the metropolis.